Hi everyone. I hope you are all enjoying the Game Plan 2021 conference and having a wonderful event so far. My name is Paul Viglienzone and I'm a Game Tech Business Development Leader here at Amazon Web Services. Today I'm going to talk about how AWS is working with fantasy sports customers around the world and share some insights into how we are innovating in the industry. First up, let's take a quick look at where the game development community is heading. Well, it's no secret that tens of thousands of game developers are adopting the cloud and using AWS to power their games. 90% of the world's largest game companies trust AWS as a technology provider, and we work with some of the biggest names in the video game business, including Epic Games, Sony Interactive Entertainment, Nintendo, Electronic Arts, Riot Games, and many, many others. AWS also has extensive experience in the gaming and fantasy sports industry, with hundreds of the world's leading operators and providers trusting AWS to help them to grow. We work with global companies like FanDuel, DraftKings, and Fantasy Draft. And in India, we work with some of the top fantasy sport brands, including Dream 11, MPL, Fantasy Cricket, My Team 11, and Junglee Games. So why are so many fantasy sports companies adopting AWS? Firstly, AWS has vast experience moving thousands of enterprises to the cloud. We work with many operators and providers in the real money gaming industry and have significant experience dealing with unique RMG challenges. Our customers trust us with their mission-critical workloads. Secondly, we have the broadest range of services of any cloud provider, from AI, machine learning for personalization, fraud detection, and responsible gaming, to contact center management, to databases, to outposts for specific regulatory requirements. Thirdly, our scale is second to none. Our global footprint allows our customers to scale your business rapidly with redundancy at every level. After speaking to our customers, we believe there are three key areas where AWS can help customers overcome challenges and drive growth. Firstly, speed to market. Being first to market is vital in such a competitive sector, whether it be with a new product feature or being the first to enter a completely new regulated market. Secondly, delivering deeper insights. Understanding customer behavior and motivation is key to providing the best customer experiences. And thirdly, scalability. Scaling up and down for a sporting event, a new market, or even an acquired company gives our customers the ability to provision only what they need, when they need it, and avoid lengthy hardware provisioning cycles. I'm going to go through each of these areas in turn and give you some examples of customers and how they're using AWS. Firstly, let's talk about speed to market. As new markets regulate, we understand the importance of being able to distribute your product immediately to new customers. AWS has a range of solutions, programs, and partners that can help our customers to accelerate their speed to market and take the first mover advantage. Another great example is how AWS worked with the team at MPL to help them get to market faster. The startup launched on the AWS cloud because many of its DevOps engineers had experience on the platform, which accelerated their time to market. MPL's development time was also accelerated by access to enterprise-level support. MPL relied on support from AWS for debugging and periodic re-architecting in order to scale. The team really appreciated having an AWS Technical Account Manager, or TAM, and AWS Infrastructure Event Management as part of their support package, which focused on planning and ready assistance leading right up to and during the launch. Dedicated support included a detailed review of MPL's architecture and guidance on how to optimize both the user experience and the operating costs. AWS also hosted an AWS Dev Day event where MPL teams used Amazon Inspector to uncover potential security vulnerabilities in their infrastructure. These vulnerabilities have since been resolved, and MPL has implemented Amazon Guard Duty for ongoing security monitoring. The second area I'd like to cover is around gaining deeper insights into your customers. Understanding player behaviors when combined with data inspection and analysis will help to optimize the customer experience. AWS supplies a range of analytics and AI and machine learning services that help our customers create more engaging experience for their players. We feel that analytics is a key to differentiation in the fantasy sports sector. Use cases such as spotting problem customers early and acting on that information, optimizing CRM and bonusing programs, personalizing the customer experience so that customers see the right games and offers, and enhancing and improving the visualization of sports data. Additionally, analytics can help reduce fraud, manage player toxicity, and ensure secure operating practices. A great example of a customer harnessing the potential of artificial intelligence on AWS is Sport Radar. We've seen significant cancellation of sporting events over the past 2 years due to COVID, and this has had a big impact on sports companies. Sport Radar wanted to use their wealth of sporting data in an AI-driven product to create what's called simulated reality. Sport Radar's breakthrough live sports offering uses artificial intelligence to simulate matches using real-world rosters, teams, and leagues in professional cricket, tennis, and soccer. Game action plays out over the same timeline as a live action event. Operators facilitate wagering on outcomes and in-game moments just as they would with live sports. Using its AWS infrastructure, Sport Radar was able to bring simulated reality from concept to revenue in just 11 days. Amazing. And are now able to cope with up to 50,000 per minute. Now, one of the biggest success stories in India is the rise of Dream11, who leveraged AWS to deliver their offering at a truly epic scale, increasing their user base from 2 million to more than 100 million within just 4 years. But aside from scale, the customer is using machine learning to drive customer insights and improve their customer experience. Among the social features on Dream11, users can post videos and pictures, as well as share images in group chats. Dream11 uses the Amazon Recognition Machine Learning service to automate image and video analysis. Thousands of images are reviewed each day as part of their site moderation. Additionally, Dream11 has developed its own ML models to help forecast demand of the contests running on the app. A team is dedicated to building these models with Amazon SageMaker, and they have also developed ML models to detect fraud, and these models flag users who are trying to collude or create fake accounts on the platform. From a user perspective, participants benefit from ML-driven recommendations on which contests to join based on their past in-app behavior and other factors. At any given time, hundreds of contests are running simultaneously on the Dream11 platform, so time-conscious users greatly appreciate these recommendations. Finally, let's talk about the importance of scalability. AWS is ideally suited to products and services that need to scale up and down constantly according to demand. A major sporting event, a new market opening, or even a major TV campaign can all cause significant increases in demand. AWS allows you to scale automatically, only paying for what you use. So let's give an example here of a local customer, Fanfight. Fanfight is the second biggest fantasy sports platform in India, with nearly 5 million users who create teams, compete against each other, and potentially win cash daily. Fanfight's existing database solution did not scale well to meet the spikes in activity for high-stakes games, such as the Big Bash League season in January 2020, when Fanfight saw up to 100,000 concurrent users in a 30-minute period. Their hybrid database solution buckled during peak traffic of prominent matches, disrupting service for users and generating more work for Fanfight's small team. The Fanfight team turned to Amazon DynamoDB, a fully managed key value and document database, which is popular in the gaming industry because it can scale reliably to millions of current users and requests while delivering single-digit millisecond performance. It naturally fit with Fanfight's existing application architecture based on the serverless AWS Lambda, which executes code when triggered by Amazon DynamoDB. Using this AWS solution, Fanfight was able to scale for peak traffic on game days while massively reducing costs and improving staff productivity. So as you can see, AWS is helping to transform fantasy sports and real money gaming value chain through technology. Bringing together diverse data sources, products and streaming, our services give you the building blocks to create the most entertaining sports and gaming products. Our job is to reduce the complexity for our customers, taking care of all the undifferentiated heavy lifting and allowing our customers to focus on developing new products and innovating. We understand the complexities of RMG regulated markets and can help you to expand your business globally. The breadth of our analytics and AI and machine learning allows you to personalize your fantasy sports and gaming applications, building ever more engaging customer experiences. And with AWS, you have a team trusted by the world's largest operators and providers who work with us to deliver their mission-critical workloads. So, how to get started? We offer 10,000 in AWS credits valid for 2 years for startups looking to leverage the AWS cloud for their games. Simply head over to the AWS console at this address shown on the screen and apply. Remember to use the org ID 1LQCL. And for questions, feel free to email gametech-india@amazon.com. Thank you, everybody. I wish you the best success, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your conference. Thank you and goodbye.